What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to tell you about the durability of the Baja Wrangler 2. I've personally been using this scooter for over 2.5 years, and I've abused the heck out of it. Let me show you some action shots to show you what I mean. Now, this Baja Wrangler has been abused in ways that we cannot document because I'd probably get a cease and desist letter from Pride Mobility. Let me just tell you though, I've done things to this scooter that you should never do to any scooter. Okay, some are on our YouTube channel, some are not, from my private collection. We're not gonna go there, but look at this thing. I mean, you could just tell. It is not clean. It is dirty. It is filthy. I do clean it from time to time. Fun fact, we do have an educational video that shows you how to wash a mobility scooter safely without damaging it. You should definitely check it out. We've got more videos of this thing than any other dealer on the market, hands down, on YouTube, I should say. We've got videos that show you how to fix it, how to use it, what it's capable of, torture tests, comparison videos, unboxing, assembly videos, everything. So check them out. Thank you for watching this video. I love you. Stay tuned to the very end if you want to get access to a secret discount code. I'll put a hidden message on the screen. Pay attention. This video is going to be quick. I just wanted to kind of share with you, now that we're coming to the end of 2024, something really exciting. I'm about to get a new Baja Wrangler, and it's going to be the new version that's made in America with foreign and/or domestic parts. Disclaimer, legal requirement there. But I'm proud to say that I will own an American-made mobility scooter coming from a company, Pride Mobility, that employs thousands of American people. They are based out of Pennsylvania. They're the best and most trusted manufacturer in the industry. They don't just offer the best parts warranty in the industry, they also have a 1-year in-home service plan included for free with the purchase of any scooter or power wheelchair that they make. So if that's not giving you peace of mind, I don't know what is. By the way, folks, before we get too far into this video, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a copy, it's free. It has our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also just call the number below, speak with our non-commissioned sales experts, and they'll process the request for you over the phone. Just give them your address. You can also ask them any questions that you may have. They'd love to earn your business. Oh, and I do have one other thing to tell you about. We give away mobility scooters more often than I jump this Wrangler, which is all the time. So, if you want to win a free mobility scooter, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because by doing so, you could win a free mobility scooter. That's right, we give away mobility scooters to random subscribers who are subscribed and who leave a comment on any video. You're already here, so what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. You could be the next lucky winner. The Baja Wrangler 2 is the most off-road capable mobility scooter on the market. That's why I use it every day. I could have any scooter. I work for Mobility Direct. I lead their YouTube content and creation. I have another one made by a different brand that's very comparable, but I would say the Wrangler 2 is going to be the most capable when it comes to going on rough terrain, like going over this log that I shouldn't do right now, but I'm going to do it anyway with a drone remote in my hand. Okay, this is the type of things that we do. This is not a biased review channel. I'm giving you the raw, unadulterated truth. The Wrangler 2 is by far my favorite off-road extreme universal terrain scooter. It handles snow, mud, puddles, dirt, hills that are super steep, miniature mountains, curbs. It jumps curbs. It's the only one that does it. Okay, you've got 8 inches of ground clearance, huge tires, suspension everywhere, and I'm telling you, if you need something that's going to hold up, I've had it for 2.5 years, beating the heck out of it. Haven't had to replace anything. I haven't had to work on it. Haven't even gotten a flat tire, which is a miracle. I will tell you though, you should upgrade to the lithium batteries, because I've had it for a long time now and the batteries are still going very, very strong. The lithium batteries are super lightweight. Okay, they're gonna give you extended travel range, so you don't have to worry about replacing your batteries every 2 to 3 years. With the lithium batteries, you should be able to get around 5 to 7 years, depending on the brand that you get. And look where I'm going right now. This is kind of scary. I don't know if I should be doing this. All right, yeah, there's like gator trails here. I'm in front of a giant canal, part of a nature preserve. So I'm definitely gonna keep going just for the video. This is for the thumbnail. Holy crap, there's gator trails everywhere. Look at this. Oh! Okay, I'm risking my life now, literally in panther territory. I think I should probably get out of here. Anyway, guys, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. We'd love to earn your business, folks. Give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. If you have any questions, we'll be there to answer them truthfully. Thanks so much for watching. Have a happy holiday and a happy new year.